using the Python. So as of today, everyone has mobile, and the mobile can read the QR code very fast, and we can access the data, transferring money or anything, even phone pay, anything is there. Today we are going to see with the help of this Python and the Tkinter, we are generating the QR code very easily for your individual application also. This is the screen. Before going the output, just go through the lines. So how we can do it means, the first step is we can install the needed library, like we can install pip install QR code and Tkinter everything. After that we can start the coding. So how we can start means, you can start the coding, import QR code followed by from Tkinter space import star like that, and we can give the title as abc.com and size I am giving like this, and step number 1 this one, and I am going to use the step number 2, the function called generate, to generate the QR code, and followed with the code called image is equal to QR code dot make of message dot get, and we can save everything, and show function for display the QR code and information. Then we are generating the frame also. So simple and easy. So here step number 1 is just not only installed, sorry for inconvenience. Yeah, so quick response. So import the QR code and the needed Tkinter libraries. Then step number 2, make the primary window. The primary window name you can assume that abc.com, and step number 3, create a function that can take any text. So whatever text you are giving in the input box, it will take, or it may be URL as input, and start to generate the QR code. And we are writing the step number 4 for creating user interface for the application to generate QR code in Python very easily, as look like this. And here, so for this only we are writing the function, then we are setting the frame and label. Once you execute the project, it will show like this, and we are mention the label name, and button also we are creating show QR code like that, and command we are saying show like that, and followed by button.btn, that is button.back. At last we are completing the coding with cp.main loop. So this is a simple project how we can generate QR code. So let's execute the coding, already executed. So I am just giving abc.com, just I am giving as input abc. So I am giving this one, yeah, abc.com. If you want, you can save a.com, a.com or anything like that, and I am going to give show QR. I am even here. Yeah, so we successfully generate the QR code. The file may saved in the form of .png like that. So I hope that you understand the video how we can generate the QR code, that is quick response code, with the help of Python. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.